Welcome back. The IMD has issued an orange alert for Mumbai, predicting heavy to very heavy rainfall. This comes ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Mumbai on the 13th of July to inaugurate multiple civic infrastructure projects. In Delhi, the IMD forecasts a cloudy sky with light to moderate rain, thunderstorms, lightning and gusty winds at speeds of 25 to 35 km per hour on Friday. Floodwaters have slowed traffic on the Lucknow-Delhi National Highway.
जो NH24 है वहाँ पे नैनीताल ढाबे के सामने पानी आया हुआ है, तो सुबह से लगातार हमारा फोर्स लगा हुआ है और कटरा से भी डाइवर्जन करवाया हुआ है। साथ ही साथ सीतापुर की तरफ से भी जो भारी वाहन आ रहे हैं, छोटे वाहन आ रहे हैं, उनका भी डाइवर्जन करवाया हुआ है। लगातार अगल बगल के जनपदों के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट किया जा रहा है और जो भारी वाहनों को हमारा फोर्स है वो लगकर उसको लगातार निकाल रहा है। ट्रैफिक चल रहा है, धीरे चल रहा है लेकिन सुचारू रूप से चल रहा है। अगर उसके बावजूद कोई दिक्कत आएगी तो जो भारी वाहन है और जो छोटे वाहन हैं उनको और भी अन्य जगह से डाइवर्ट करवाया जाएगा।
In Himachal Pradesh, a landslide obstructed the route to Mani Mahesh Dal Lake in the Bharmor area of Chamba district on Thursday. A video of the event there recorded by a traveller surfaced on social media. Although the Mani Mahesh Yatra officially starts on the 17th of August and lasts until the 15th of September, devotees and tourists visit outside these dates as well. 12 roads, including 4 each in Shimla and Mandi and 3 in Kangra, remain closed due to last week's rain, according to the State Emergency Operations Centre. In Telangana, a wet spell is expected with moderate to heavy rainfall from the 12th of July to the 15th of July. The IMD, in fact, has issued a yellow alert for several districts, urging residents to stay vigilant.
Monsoon trough is over in the northern North India, and the most of the rains over there in the central India and northern belt rather than that of the South India, South Peninsular India. As of from the last 2 days, that will be the monsoon trough is towards going from the from Gujarat, Kutch to the by the central India. Due to that, we are experiencing there is a rainfall over the, especially in the Telangana state in the northeastern belt of Telangana state. The same situation might be continuing into the next week also. The next 5 days are expecting there will be a light to moderate showers will be there in entire Telangana state. Along with tomorrow onwards, expecting there will be a heavy rainfall also at isolated places. Mainly westerlies and southwesterlies are prevailing entire the state, and due to this synoptic system, it might be expecting there will be a light to moderate showers in a few places in the entire Telangana state. And today might be expecting a one or two scattered places will be there into the light to moderate showers. And tomorrow onwards, there will be rain will be increasing and will getting the good amount of rainfall on the 11th onwards. And with the spread is also that rainfall spread also might be increases.